Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the allure of industrial outdoor dining decor. Learn about benefits, design tips, and must-have items to create a stunning and functional outdoor space. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. In today's world, our outdoor spaces have become extensions of our homes, offering a place to relax, entertain, and connect with nature. One design style that has gained significant popularity is industrial decor. Its raw, minimalist aesthetic and use of reclaimed materials create a unique and inviting atmosphere. In this video, we'll delve into the world of industrial outdoor dining decor, exploring its meaning, benefits, and essential elements to help you transform your backyard or patio into a stylish and functional oasis. Industrial outdoor dining decor is a design style that draws inspiration from industrial spaces like warehouses, factories, and lofts. It emphasizes raw materials, exposed elements, and a minimalist aesthetic. Key characteristics of this style include: first, raw materials. Use of materials like metal, concrete, wood, and brick in their natural state. Second, exposed elements. Showcasing structural elements like beams, pipes, and ducts. Third, minimalist aesthetic. A clean and uncluttered look with simple lines and forms. Fourth, industrial-inspired accents. Incorporating elements like Edison bulbs, vintage signage, and distressed finishes. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, industrial outdoor dining decor offers several practical advantages that can enhance your outdoor living experience, such as: first, durability. Industrial materials are known for their durability and longevity, ensuring your outdoor space withstands the elements. Second, versatility. The minimalist aesthetic of industrial decor allows for easy customization and personalization. Third, unique appeal. Industrial style creates a distinctive and eye-catching outdoor space that sets it apart from the ordinary. Fourth, connection to nature. The use of natural materials and exposed elements fosters a sense of connection to the surrounding environment. Now that you have a solid understanding of what industrial outdoor dining decor entails, let's dive into the practical aspects of designing your own space. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can transform your outdoor area into a stylish and inviting haven. Here are the tips. 1. Start with a neutral color palette. Use shades of black, white, gray, and brown as a foundation. 2. Incorporate natural elements. Add greenery, plants, or wooden accents to balance the industrial aesthetic. 3. Play with textures. Combine different textures, such as smooth metal and rough wood, to create visual interest. 4. Use statement lighting. Install industrial-style pendant lights or Edison bulb fixtures to illuminate your outdoor space. 5. Add personal touches. Incorporate personal items like artwork, family photos, or decorative objects to make the space your own. And to complete your industrial outdoor dining space, consider these essential items as the best items for industrial outdoor dining decor. 1. Industrial dining table. Choose a table made of metal, wood, or concrete with a minimalist design. 2. Matching chairs. Opt for chairs with clean lines and sturdy frames. 3. Outdoor bar or counter. Create a focal point with an industrial-style bar or counter. 4. Outdoor fireplace or fire pit. Add warmth and ambience to your space. 5. Industrial-style planters. Use planters made of metal or concrete to display your favorite plants. 6. Outdoor rugs. Incorporate weather-resistant rugs to define seating areas and add texture. 7. Outdoor lighting. Install string lights, lanterns, or wall sconces to create a cozy atmosphere. 8. Industrial-inspired accessories. Add decorative elements like vintage signage, metal sculptures, or reclaimed wood accents. And for your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best industrial outdoor dining decor ideas to inspire you more. 1. Raw metal accents. Unfinished metal tables, chairs, and lighting fixtures create a rugged, authentic industrial atmosphere. Pair them with natural wood elements for a balanced look. 2. Exposed brick walls. Brick walls left unfinished or partially painted add a vintage, urban feel to the space. Incorporate plants or greenery to soften the industrial aesthetic. 3. Vintage industrial lighting. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and wall sconces with exposed wiring or Edison bulbs provide both functional lighting and a decorative statement. Choose fixtures that complement the overall industrial theme. 4. Reclaimed wood elements. Tables, chairs, benches, and planters made from reclaimed wood add warmth and character to the space. Combine reclaimed wood with metal accents for a contrasting look. 5. Industrial-style rugs. Rugs with geometric patterns, distressed textures, or bold colors define seating areas and add a touch of personality. Choose rugs that are durable and weather-resistant for outdoor use. 6. Concrete flooring. Unfinished or polished concrete flooring creates a modern, industrial look. Add rugs or mats to provide comfort and warmth. 7. Industrial-inspired planters. Planters made from metal, concrete, or reclaimed materials bring greenery into the space and add a natural element. Choose plants that are suitable for outdoor environments and complement the industrial aesthetic. 8. Urban-inspired artwork. Black and white photographs, street art prints, or industrial-themed paintings add visual interest and tell a story about the space. Choose artwork that reflects your personal style and complements the overall aesthetic. 9. Industrial-style fire pit. A fire pit made from metal or stone creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, especially during cooler evenings. Ensure the fire pit is safe and complies with local regulations. 10. Vintage industrial accessories. Decorative items such as old tools, machinery parts, or vintage signage add unique and personal touches to the space. Choose accessories that are weather-resistant and complement the overall industrial theme. By incorporating industrial elements into your outdoor dining space, you can create a stylish, functional, and inviting environment. Remember to experiment with different materials, textures, and accessories to reflect your personal style. With a little creativity and attention to detail, you can transform your backyard or patio into a stunning industrial oasis. Ready to elevate your outdoor dining experience? Start by exploring industrial decor ideas and incorporating elements that resonate with your personal style. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiring home decor tips and trends. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.